I am Misfit and I'm lucky enough to be taking part in open heart surgery in Wrexham this week, and we're presenting a project towards the end of the week. I'm lucky enough to be mentored by Jonesy and Anthony, and I think it's a great privilege to be here, and I'm really excited, and I can't wait to see what I learn.
Things like that was between us and we'd lose our feet. We were drifting apart, it was breaking my heart. Using drugs to stay together, we would argue lot. I couldn't think straight, so let me demonstrate. I would make the same mistakes nearly every day. I could tell that you didn't love me anymore. I would lie and I regret it cause I made it worse. You were talking to your ex and you bonded again, and my fears came to life when you told me that day you were in love with it. What is wrong with me?
Working with John CD, and we've been working on different themes, so I'm really excited about what we're going to do, and I think it's just a fantastic thing that hip-hop theatre, hip-hop in general, is being brought here to Wrexham and T-Power, so yeah, love it.
Yo guys, it's B-Boy Flexton, aka Jamie Berry. We've just finished open heart surgery last night. Thank you to everyone at Wrexham for the support. Thank you to all the artists that came along, Larynx Entertainment, and everyone we managed to meet and who did open heart surgery. It's been an amazing learning experience for everyone. I've learnt a lot, and I'm sure everyone else has, and has put us on a different journey. I can't wait to come back and perform here and try and get people in Wrexham into hip-hop theatre again. Thank you to Breaking Convention for John Z D and Anthony to coming down and supporting us and guiding us on our way to the show.